Hi friends, did you know that just 1 tablespoon of olive oil a day can change your health in amazing ways? Yes, just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. But let's see how. Friends, olive oil is called the liquid gold of Mediterranean. People there live longer and healthier lives, and the olive oil is one of their secrets. But what happens if you take only 1 tablespoon of olive oil a day? Believe me, it is enough to start the big changes. So friends, let's uncover the healthy benefits of taking only 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a day. Number 1. It is good for your heart. 1 tablespoon of olive oil has a healthy fat. These fats help lower bad cholesterol and protect your heart. Studies show that the people who eat olive oil regularly have a lower risk of heart disease. Number 2. It boosts your brain power. These healthy fats do not just help your heart, they also help your brain too. They can improve the memory, reduce the inflammation, and may even protect against the age-related brain problems. Number 3. It helps the digestion. Olive oil also works wonder for your tummy. Just a 1 tablespoon a day can help digestion, reduce the constipation, and keep your gut happy. Number 4. It fights the inflammation. Inflammation is behind many problems like the diabetes and the heart problem. Olive oil has the powerful antioxidants that fight the inflammation naturally, keeping your body more healthier. Number 5. It supports the healthy skin. Antioxidants in the olive oil also nourish your skin. Just a 1 tablespoon a day can help your skin look smoother and younger from inside out. So friends, remember, you do not need the liter of olive oil to be healthy. Just 1 tablespoon a day added to your salad, breakfast, or even taken directly can give your heart, brain, skin, and digestion a natural boost. So try it for a week and notice the difference in your body. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the Efra Health for the more quick and healthy tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy. Goodbye.